Hey there, friends. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and safest way to transfer data between your mobile phone and your PC or laptop. No cables, no SD card readers, just pure wireless convenience. And the best part? This works perfectly on both Android and iPhone. It's super fast too. You can transfer large files in just a few seconds. Sounds amazing, right? So stick with me and watch the full video to see how simple it is. Let's get started. First, head over to the Microsoft Store on your PC or laptop. If you don't have access to the Microsoft Store, don't worry. I'll drop a link in the description so you can download it directly. In the search box, type Intel Unison. Now, don't let the name fool you. This app works on all processors, not just Intel ones. So, whether you're using AMD or anything else, you're good to go. When you find the app, it'll look like this. Click on Get to download it. Accept the terms, and let it install. Once it's done installing, the app will guide you with some setup options like Empower your PC and exchange files with anyone. Under Empower your phone, there's the option to add your phone or add your tablet. But before we continue, we need to set things up on your phone too. Grab your phone and go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Intel Unison. Download it and open it. The app will ask for a few permissions. Don't worry, it's completely safe. You can choose to allow access to limited files or give full access. It's up to you. Now your phone is ready to connect. You'll see two options: scan a QR code, use a text code. Instead, I recommend using the QR code because it's quick and super simple. Back on your PC, click Add your phone, and you'll see a QR code pop up. Open the Unison app on your phone, scan the QR code, and let the magic happen. You'll also see a verification code on both devices. Just make sure they match and hit confirm. It might ask you to connect via Bluetooth, but you can skip that. It's not necessary. And just like that, your phone is now connected to your PC. That wasn't hard, was it? Let's move on to transferring files. To send a file from your phone to your PC, tap Send on your phone, grant the necessary permissions. Browse and select the file you want to transfer. For example, I'm sending a video file from my phone to my laptop right now. And look, it's already done. That was super fast, right? At Now, to send a file from your PC to your phone. On your PC, click Add Files below the phone icon. Choose the file you want to send. On your phone, tap Receive, and boom, the file is there in seconds. But wait, there's more. If you want to exchange files with someone without adding their device to your PC, here's how. On your PC, select the file you want to share. Click Create Link. You can now share this link with anyone you want to exchange files with. It's that simple and convenient. And that's it, folks. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel Tech2 AI for more amazing tips and tricks like this. Feel free to drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.